How to redeem your Binance gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Health Tech, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can redeem your gift card on Binance. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your Binance gift card, all you have to do is to first of all go ahead and then open the Binance application. Once you launch the Binance app, you just need to tap on the profile icon, which is at the very top left hand side of the screen. As you tap on it over here, you'll find the option called gift card. So you just need to go ahead and tap on that gift card option. As you go to the gift card option again, right over here you'll find the option called redeem from the bottom right. So that go to the redeem tab. You have two options. One is to just redeem your Binance gift card or code. Other is to simply redeem and convert it into a fiat currency. So if you want to redeem your Binance gift card for cash, you have to choose the option called redeem and convert to fiat, or else you could just choose the option called redeem Binance gift card or code over here and simply enter your redemption code or simply paste it in the box and just tap on the redeem button. Or else you can also go to redeem and convert to fiat currency and choose a fiat currency on which you would like to convert your cryptocurrency or your gift card to. And once you do that, just enter the redemption code and tap on the next button to follow the on-screen instructions and redeem it in that way. That's all it takes to redeem your gift card on Binance. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.